Have you owned a giant jade plant for years, but never seen a single flower? You're definitely not alone. Thousands of plant lovers unknowingly make one simple mistake that keeps their jade from blooming forever. The surprising truth is that a mature jade plant is fully capable of producing stunning clusters of tiny white or pink, star-shaped flowers, but only if it receives the right care at the right time. In today's video, you'll discover 7 foolproof secrets that experienced growers use to trigger spectacular blooms naturally. No expensive fertilizers, no complicated techniques, and no gardening degree required. Stay until the very end, because secret number 7 is the most overlooked trick, and it could be the missing piece that's preventing your beautiful giant jade plant from flowering. Let's make your jade bloom like never before. Secret number 1. Your jade must be mature enough. One of the biggest reasons jade plants refuse to bloom is simple. They aren't old enough yet. A jade plant usually needs to be at least 3 to 5 years old, and sometimes even older, before it develops flowers. Giant jade plants with thick, woody trunks are much more likely to bloom because they've stored years of energy. Instead of expecting flowers from a young cutting, focus on growing a healthy, sturdy plant first. Thick stems, strong branches, and glossy leaves are signs your jade is preparing for its flowering stage. Be patient, because jade plants reward long-term care. Think of blooming as a graduation ceremony. Once your jade reaches maturity and receives the right conditions, those beautiful star-like blossoms can appear every flowering season. Secret number 2. Give it more direct sunlight. Sunlight is the number 1 ingredient for flowering. Jade plants love bright conditions and perform best with at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Without enough light, they focus only on producing leaves instead of flowers. Place your giant jade near a south-facing or west-facing window indoors, or gradually introduce it to outdoor morning sunshine if your climate allows. Rotate the pot every couple of weeks so every side receives equal light, preventing uneven growth. Healthy leaves often develop a slight reddish edge under ideal sunlight, a good sign your plant is thriving. Just avoid suddenly moving it from shade into harsh afternoon sun, as that can scorch the leaves. Consistent bright light builds the energy needed for spectacular blooms. Secret number 3. Water less during dormancy. Many gardeners accidentally love their jade plant too much by watering it constantly. To encourage flowering, jade plants actually need a dry resting period. During fall and winter, reduce watering significantly and allow the soil to dry completely before watering again. This mimics the natural drought cycle the plant experiences in its native habitat. The temporary dryness signals the plant that it's time to prepare for reproduction instead of continuous leafy growth. However, don't let the leaves become severely shriveled. Water only when necessary, using a deep soak, followed by complete drainage. As spring approaches, gradually resume regular watering. This seasonal cycle often becomes the trigger that wakes dormant flower buds and encourages healthy blooming throughout the season. Secret number 4. Use the right fertilizer at the right time. Feeding your jade correctly can make a dramatic difference. Many people use high nitrogen fertilizer, which creates lush green leaves, but very few flowers. Instead, switch to a balanced fertilizer or one slightly higher in phosphorus during the growing season. Feed lightly once every 4 to 6 weeks in spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing during winter dormancy because the plant isn't actively growing. Too much fertilizer can actually damage roots and reduce flowering potential. Organic options like worm castings or compost tea also provide gentle nutrition without overwhelming the plant. Healthy roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, allowing your jade to store enough energy for blooming. Remember, more fertilizer doesn't mean more flowers. Consistent, moderate feeding works best. Secret number 5. Cool nights trigger flower buds. Here's a secret many experienced growers know. Jade plants often bloom after experiencing cooler nighttime temperatures. During autumn, temperatures around 50–60 degrees Fahrenheit, 10–15 degrees Celsius, help signal the plant that flowering season is approaching. If you keep your jade indoors all year in constant warmth, it may never receive this important seasonal cue. Place the plant in a bright but cooler room if possible, or allow natural autumn temperatures near a window to do the work. Avoid freezing conditions because jade plants are not frost tolerant. The contrast between warm, sunny days and cooler nights encourages flower bud formation. Nature uses changing temperatures as a biological calendar, and your jade responds by preparing its beautiful blossoms. Secret number 6. Avoid frequent repotting and pruning. Jade plants prefer stability. Repotting too often or heavy pruning forces the plant to focus on recovery instead of flowering. Only repot when the roots completely fill the container, usually every 3 to 5 years. Choose a pot just slightly larger than the previous one, because oversized pots hold excess moisture that can damage roots. When pruning, remove only dead, damaged, or overcrowded branches. Heavy trimming before flowering season may eliminate developing flower buds. Instead, shape the plant immediately after blooming or during active growth. A stable root system and mature branch structure allow your jade to invest energy into producing flowers rather than rebuilding itself. Sometimes, leaving your jade alone is the smartest gardening decision you can make. Secret number 7. Patience is the ultimate bloom booster. The final and most powerful secret is patience. Jade plants grow slowly, and flowering is their reward for years of proper care, not weeks of effort. Many gardeners give up just before their plant is ready to bloom. Continue providing bright sunlight, proper watering, seasonal rest, moderate feeding, and stable growing conditions. Avoid constantly moving the plant around your home because consistency reduces stress. Keep watching for tiny flower buds that appear near branch tips during the flowering season. Once your giant jade blooms for the first time, it often becomes more reliable in future years if conditions remain favorable. Every day of patient care builds toward an unforgettable display of delicate, star-shaped blossoms that make every moment of waiting worthwhile. Congratulations! You now know the 7 foolproof secrets that can finally convince your giant jade plant to bloom with beautiful star-shaped flowers. Remember, successful flowering isn't about luck. It's about giving your jade exactly what nature intended: bright sunlight, seasonal rest, cooler nights, careful watering, balanced feeding, and plenty of patience. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If your jade has already bloomed, we'd love to hear your success story and any extra tips you've discovered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more indoor plant secrets, expert care guides, and gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Natural Life _SR7 video. Happy growing!